Ashley, and today we have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. Okay, Miss Cassandra, can you share with us maybe how your family has played a role in the growth and the success of the Gumbo Gourmet?
Well, funny story, I learned how to cook gumbo from my oldest sister, my oldest natural sister. And it was one night over cocktails. We just kind of hung out and she was like, I'm going to show you how to make waterless greens and gumbo. So with that recipe, I decided to kind of, add my own little flair of what I felt, gumbo should be. And I started making it, I would make it when my college friends would come over and study, and I would have gumbo with the crab legs, etc. And so, I learned how to make it from my sister, who was a 5-star chef, and from Le Cordon Bleu, actually. And, while I do have family roots in Louisiana, her teaching me how to actually make it step by step was the way that I learned how to make it. In terms of the day I opened my business, my sister came down, my other sister came down, and she had my nephew and my niece. My niece actually flew to Atlanta from California. Shout out to Jennifer. And my nephew came down from North Carolina to help me on grand opening day. And I thought that that was just really something amazing because they felt like this was something generationally that was significant, and that it really honored my mom and, honored everyone in my family to have been the first to actually step out and do something this big and of this nature.
Oh.
So.
Well, that's amazing to hear. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.